kanal, då skulle jag
Hi everybody, welcome to my new channel. On this channel I will post vlogs, I will post gaming I hope, and then I will post speed builds on Lego. I will probably do speed builds most, but I will do vlogs also. But this day, this is a special day because this is my first video. I hope you enjoy every video I make. And this is my friend Jack. Hi. He will help me with speed build so we can do it together. And this is my sister. And little sister. And this is
My sister.
Jack's sister. She doesn't want to show her face. But this is my first video. After this I will post a video on speed build when I and Jack builds own things out of Lego. And I hope you enjoy. This is not, I'm not asking for likes this one. I'm not asking for subs this video. But I hope you enjoy.
We may set up like a
Thing.
there. Say the goal of today's video.
Yeah. But I hope you enjoy my channel. And my goal is to hit 20 subscribers. I want to hit 20 million.
Not yet.